We are here as members of parliament from Lango, from Acoli and West Nile. And today on, we shall be here as we demand for government to give us free access. Thank you so much. We are not up at all on Uganda Wildlife Authority and the Ministry of Works. I recall last week when we presented.
So apparently the Acoli stallion, that is Honorable Olanya Gilbert, is already at the venue. Is at where last time they clashed with Uganda Wildlife Authority. They had promised a showdown demonstration for northern Uganda members of parliament if they continue to extort money, if they continues to extort money from the travelers from northern Uganda who are entering into the other side of the bridge. So Gilbert Olanya is already at the venue and is calling upon the rest of our northern Uganda MPs who are heading to the venue for the demonstration to drive faster so that the action starts. Look at this.
Therefore, government should be fair for all of us. And if they refused to open up the road for all members, we shall ask the government to transfer the animals away from our land, because we are not benefiting, we are getting more arms than goods. And
Honorable, I've understood that some of the fees have been waived off, and the route through Bulisa is actually free.
All vehicles that are passing, they are being paid for. The waiving off is just the coverage. They just started yesterday on hearing that we are coming here, and they have diverted all the route from Bulisa, Oima, up to Masindi, which is extremely far. Yet we have the shorter distance. The route built by our taxpayers' money. So we really demand that the minister and the government should give free access of road to our people.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We are here as members of parliament from Lango, from Acoli and West Nile. And today on, we shall be here as we demand for government to give us free access.
Okay.
The government has given free access to the indigenous people. We people, we are more important than the tourists. Why is the government giving priority to the tourists, yet we are suffering, passing from a very far distance? So we are here and waiting. I call upon all members of parliament, please drive very fast. You come, we be here, and we shall forge the way forward.
Well, as frustration pile up on the northern Ugandan travelers, government has not yet made any clear statement or any clear response towards this development. And this big frustration, yes, you have to pay money to and fro if you are heading to Kampala, is crippling a lot of affairs related to transport in northern Uganda. As this thing still stands the way it is, we will be there to give you all the updates, and hope you be there also to receive those updates. Thank you.